What do you do when a customer is ready to buy a product in store, but you don't have any inventory? This might happen if the product needs to be custom built, if the product is on back order, or if the order is fulfilled from another location. Today, we're going to show you how to ship to customers so that you can process an order in person, even if you don't have inventory ready in your store. Hey everyone, it's Dutanga with Shopify. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button for new videos from the Shopify Help Center every week. To follow along with this tutorial, you need to have shipping profiles set up in the Shopify admin. Watch the playlist linked above for instructions for setting up shipping profiles. To process a sale in person and then ship the products to your customer, you need to add products to the cart, collect customer shipping information, and select the appropriate shipping rate for the order. Let's get started from the Shopify POS app. First, let's add the customer's product to the cart. From the home screen, tap the menu icon, then tap Products. You can find the product using the built-in scanner to scan the barcode of a product you have on hand, search through the product list, or type the product's name in the search bar. Here we see a list of all the product variants. In this example, our customer is looking for the black mesh t-shirt in a medium, which we can see is currently out of stock at this location. Tap View Details on the variant you're looking for to see more product information. At the top of the screen, you see the Out of Stock banner. We also have a banner that shows it's available to ship because it's in stock at another location. In the Inventory section, you see that the New York location has 0, but the San Francisco location has 54 t-shirts available. So we're going to ship this t-shirt from San Francisco. From the product page, tap Add to Cart to start this new order. If you need to ship some items and have some of the other items on hand for your customer, you'll need to process them in separate transactions. For example, our customer wants to ship the out-of-stock t-shirt to her home, but she also wants to purchase a yoga mat from the store. Because Shopify POS orders can't be fulfilled from multiple locations, we need to split this order into 2 separate transactions. So we're going to remove the yoga mat for now and process the mat as a separate transaction later. With the out-of-stock t-shirt in the cart, the next step is to add the customer. We have the Add Customer tile on the smart grid, so we tap this and search for the customer. To see customer information, tap View Details. It's recommended that the customer profile includes either an email address or phone number, so your customer receives shipping confirmation and notifications. From here, tap Add to Cart. Now it's time to set up the order so it's shipped to your customer. Tap More Actions, and then tap Ship to Customer. If you have this action as a tile on your smart grid, tap this tile. On the New page, enter the customer's shipping details. If you already added a customer to the cart, then the shipping information doesn't carry over to the shipping address screen. It needs to be added here. When you're done, tap Save. Here you see your shipping options. The shipping rates are pulled from your store's shipping profiles. To learn more about setting up your shipping profiles, please watch the playlist linked above. Next, ask the customer what shipping method they want to use and select the option. If you don't have shipping profiles set up or want to offer a custom rate, tap Custom Shipping Rate. We're offering free shipping here, so the custom rate is set to 0. Review the details on the Ship to Customer page and then tap Checkout when you're ready to complete the sale. From here, process the customer's payment like you normally would and provide the customer with a receipt. After you complete the sale, the order is marked as unfulfilled in the Shopify admin. Since this product was not fulfilled in person, you need to fulfill the order in the same way you would fulfill any online order that requires shipment. Open the Shopify admin and click Orders, then click the order number. From the order page, you see the location where the products are shipping from. If you want to ship this product from another location with inventory, then click the location name and then click Change Location. For more details on how to purchase Shopify shipping labels and fulfill orders in the Shopify admin, watch the video linked above. That's it. You've learned how to ship to customers when you make a sale in person. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from the Shopify Help Center every week. And if you still have questions, comment below or reach out to us at help.shopify.com/questions.